Hey guys, TommyBryson here, and this video is maybe the most insane video I've ever made in my life, and it's basically a big, massive reveal. Okay, now as you guys probably know, on YouTube, I'm the finance guy that talks about basically, hey, long-term investing, hold on forever, you'll make money long-term. However, I took a big risk because although you guys know my mentor is Warren Buffett, I love this guy, right? It's all about long-term value investing. However, I took a big risk, because I saw the market changing and I saw patterns, okay? And I invested some money and I was able to make around $100,000 in 1 week. And today in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how I did that. And by the way, it is not with long-term investing whatsoever. And that's why this is so controversial, okay? Because as you guys know, I'm all about long-term investing, but today I'll tell you exactly how I actually made a lot more money by not doing that anymore, okay? So stick around till the end of this video. And by the way, for the very first time, guys, this video right here is sponsored by Ask TommyBryson, okay? That's my channel where I take calls from you guys directly. You guys contact me and talk to me one-on-one from Monday to Friday between 12 to 5 p.m. New York time. You can go ahead and book a call with me for free. It's a new channel, link down below. Subscribe over there, and you can just talk to me one-on-one whenever you actually want to about anything, finance, money, whatever it is. I'll give you my honest advice, and you can be posted on the channel also. Now, if you guys are new here, I post videos every single day, so make sure to also subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified. And on top of that, also destroy the like button. Now, let's get right into this video. Tommy, how the heck did you make so much money, and why did you change the way you invest? It was going well for you. So the very first thing, guys, is this, okay? I changed the way I actually invest when it comes to the stock market. As you guys know beforehand, I was investing, for example, into index funds and also ETFs and kind of having, for example, a long-term perspective. And by the way, it was going great for me. However, it was going to take way too long to actually make any real substantial money. And by the way, I don't want to be 50 or 60 and finally have money then. And that's why I changed the whole thing. Now, I'll show you guys right here my phone and see exactly what exactly changed, okay? Now, right here is my phone, guys. Right here, okay? It's the same phone, just black and white here. If I click calculator, it loads up. I type in numbers, boom, boom, boom. It is my phone, okay? So I'm not faking any of this. Now, if I go to M1 Finance, which was basically how I used to invest, okay, I was actually up 21% in this portfolio. I had around $181,000 here, which by the way is a lot of money. And this portfolio has 7 ETFs, okay? Super diversified. Made me a lot of money, yes, but it was basically no risk. And by the way, no risk, usually not that high of a reward. So I went out there and I found a new investment. Now tell me, what exactly did you invest into? Well, by accident, okay? Around 3 months ago or a few months ago, I invested into Bitcoin for a video. And guess what? Bitcoin right now is worth around $58,000. And my entire $500 investment into Bitcoin turned into around $2,405, meaning I'm up around 481%. Now tell me, why is this important? Because basically, I went ahead with a different app and I invested an extra $100,000 into Bitcoin. Tell me, why the heck would he do that? Because guys, I'm seeing exactly how the future is heading, and basically digital is the new physical. And on top of that, I'm big for the idea of decentralizing currency. Okay, so I really like that now, and that's why I invested so much money. Now, I'm predicting, okay, if it took me 6 months to make 400%, well, in reality, in 6 more months, potentially, that 100K can turn, for example, into $500,000 very quickly, very fast. While, for example, with my larger portfolio, it was gonna take way too much time, and that's why I decided to put the money into Bitcoin. And by the way, I saw a few videos on YouTube, and the people that are experts on Bitcoin, they said, hey, Tommy, Bitcoin is gonna go to the moon, and guess what? I don't wanna get left behind, okay? You don't wanna have regrets when it comes to these things, okay? And by the way, I picked a few other cryptocurrencies, which I won't talk about in this video. However, my main investment is into Bitcoin, all right? So that's actually what's been going on. So that investment so far is going great. And so far, in just 1 week, I'm actually beating my entire long-term portfolio. the boring one, okay? The one that's gonna make me wealthy and is gonna keep me risk-free, but in reality, by that point, I'll be old. So what's the point of having so much money, right? Now, there's something else that Ashley did, guys, okay? Because, by the way, everything is about diversifying even when you're taking on a lot of risks. So tell me, what's next? What did he do? Well, as you guys know, I made a video about the NFT market, okay? Digital artwork, unique artwork. And I said, well, if I know so much about this now, and I know digital is the new physical, why don't I try to buy some artwork in order to make me a lot of money? Now tell me, where exactly did you get this idea from? Well, the answer is, I was on Instagram, and I was also on YouTube, and I saw, for example, some art sell for around $68 million. That much money. And that's when I knew, hey, this game is gonna change forever, okay? And people, by the way, are burning real artwork and put it in NFT format to actually sell it digital, okay? And I like that idea also. And by the way, The Weeknd, the singer, you guys know the singer, The Weeknd, he's actually working on an NFT album, and that's gonna be awesome. But also, Khabib, who used to be the UFC champion, okay? He's gonna come up with a whole NFT pack of cards, okay? And that's how I know, guys, the game is changing. And I won't be surprised, for example, in a few more months or a few more years, Pokemon cards are also gonna have their own NFT format, unique digital artwork, and that is going to be worth millions. So I went ahead and I bought some art, okay? I bought a few of them, but I'll show you guys one of the main ones. But by the way, I can't show it all the way, so I'll blur it out. That way you guys can actually get the picture, but not the whole idea, because again, I don't want to show it because right now it's still growing. But for this piece of artwork, guys, okay, I paid, don't worry, in the low six figures, okay? And by the way, that's actually a steal, because this artwork is worth that much money right now. But imagine in 6 to 12 months when the market gets hotter and hotter and hotter. That's when I'm gonna sell it. I'm predicting in 6 months or maybe like a year, between like $500,000 to $700,000. Okay, that's the goal right there, and it's gonna be awesome. Okay, but again, it's fast money. It's not like, hey, I'm gonna have to wait this much longer. No, and by the way, I'm also diversified, for example, into crypto and also NFT, because basically, I don't wanna put all my eggs in one basket. Now, lastly, guys, okay, yeah, there's more that I did, guys, okay? Because again, you can't make that much money that fast and basically just do it in two ways, okay? No, there's a third way here. As you guys know, I'm all about long-term investing, right? You buy a stock, you hold on for a very long time. But I noticed that basically Warren Buffett, he was 30 years old when he got $1 million. And when he got $1 billion, he was around like 54 years old. Do I want to be 54 and $1 billion? No, I want to be a lot younger and be a billionaire. So what I did is this, guys, okay? I stopped holding on for the long term. So I started day trading, okay? And by the way, I had the idea, I talked to a friend on the phone, and all of a sudden, I got an ad on YouTube saying, hey, something about a raging cow, and the guy said, hey, you know what, Tommy? There are 3 easy patterns when it comes to day trading. And that's when everything changed. I was like, if there's a pattern for it, why the heck am I wasting my time on long-term investing? So I went ahead, I bought the course. Don't worry, not that much, but it was like around like $500, no big deal. And I bought that course. And just like that, guys, okay, I started with $30,000. And right now, it's up around like $5,000, but some days I lose money, some days I make money, but it's just part of the game. But eventually, guys, okay, that little like portfolio is gonna make me more and more and more money. And by the way, I don't hold on to any investments for more than 10 minutes, okay? And on some days I make $200, $1,000. Some days I lose money, obviously it's part of the game, but I'm doing a lot better than I used to with my old entire like long-term portfolio that, although it is up right now around 20%, guess what? It's not that much money compared to what I'm gonna make, for example, with the NFT market, the crypto market, and also the day trading market. And by the way, I'm not that risky, but I am looking into forex trading also, just to see exactly what all the hype over there is all about. But so far, that's how I made 100K in a week. Cryptocurrency made me a lot of money. Also, for example, the art is actually appreciated with time, as you guys know. And also day trading is making me more and more money every single day, okay? Because again, I am catching those trends. Now, lastly, there is one more thing, guys, that I actually did. I wasn't gonna say, but I said, why not say? Because I tell you guys everything here. As you guys know, today's April 1st. So this whole video is a joke, okay? This whole video is a big, elaborated April Fool's prank, guys, okay? I am not in no way whatsoever investing into Bitcoin. I made money from the little investment. I actually made $500 when I actually wanted to like do the entire thing. I'm not invested in the NFT market. I'm not day trading. I'm not into forex trading. I'm not into any of the speculative markets, okay? That is not what I'm doing. However, all of this video is a joke, and it is funny to actually do. I love these videos every single year. Some people actually do this stuff, okay? Some people actually grab the money that they actually have, the little money they have, and they put it in the market and they risk all of it because basically they are not patient enough and they want to make quick money and fast money. And before you know it, they'll lose all their money. Now, my perspective is this, okay, guys? All this is funny. It's not that funny when somebody's out there losing a ton of money. And a lot of people are actually going to lose a lot of money if things go the wrong way. So my advice is this, guys, okay? Whenever you're investing money, remember, money it's just paper, right? It's just paper. However, you work for this paper. You give your time for this paper. So $100 might be, for example, 4 hours of your time, or for example, 5 or 6 hours of your time. So respect this, okay? So overall, no, my mentor is still Warren Buffett. I'm still investing for the long term into ETFs, index funds. I'm not making any investments, for example, into NFTs or crypto or forex trading or day trading. Again, that is not investments. Those are basically speculations. And whether you put, for example, $1 or 100K or $10 million, I don't care. At the end of the day, if you can't tell me exactly what your safety margin is and how everything works, it's speculation. That's the whole idea, guys, okay? But hopefully you have some smiles here, and hopefully I didn't give you a heart attack. But yeah, it's all a prank. But in reality, our sponsor is not a prank. Because again, this video right here is sponsored by Ask TommyBryson, my new channel where I take calls directly from you guys and talk to you guys one-on-one from Monday to Friday between the times of 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. And by the way, I hope I also got my editor. My editor name is Danny, and the whole video, I've been acting like I have like big news to tell, so hopefully I got him all the way to the end, and he's like, what the heck is going on here? Like I started working for this guy for the long term, and now he's like taking on so much risk, right? But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I had a lot of fun with it. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the video. Did I get you? Did I not get you? You probably won't say if I got you though, right? But if I did get you, comment down below. Let me know. If you know me from the very beginning, you know basically I'm never going to change my stance, okay? I'm all about long-term investing for the long term. Yes, I make a lot of money, but the point is money is great, but safety and assurance of capital is a lot better. I'll see you guys next time. As always, like this video if you liked it, and top out. Also, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified. And if you guys want to text me or talk to me one-on-one, join me on Patreon, link down below, or send me a DM on Instagram at TommyBryson. Before I go, if you want to watch last year's April Fool's video, well, no. If you want to watch a real investment video on how to really invest money, here's that video right here, and click my face right here. See you guys tomorrow, and as always, peace.